Put this cartridge back together. It's got damage on the blades. Customer said he needed it today. If I had more time, I would have blasted the bearing housing, painted it, re-cleaned it, made it look really nice. I would have cut the O-ring groove. I would have tried to fix these or replace the shaft. And then I would have rebalanced it. Because somebody needs it today, they're basically opting out on everything. So anyway, put it together. I don't know if it'll work, but I guess I'll just charge them for the rebuild kit. And I need to clean those housings, but I don't know if I even have time to do that. He's got to come pick it up, put it on the truck today, and it's already 2:30, so they leave at 5, so just running out of time. This is a shaft that's worn. You can see that little groove right there where it's got that cut inside of it. The rear seal started to wear out the shaft. Most likely this one had axle play in and out direction, and that causes the rear seal area to wear out as a result of that on the shaft. So this one needs to be replaced. You can actually machine it and oversize it, but that's kind of like an older thing. Most people are just replacing the parts now, if you can even get them. This one is readily available though. To fix this whole problem so you never have to deal with this again, the best thing to do is to have a drain that's proper size or machine yours out. And then he had a 270-degree thrust bearing. I would just go ahead and upgrade that to a 360. That way you won't have any other issues. If you want to run high boost with it, it will handle it. I'll link to the rebuild kit that we sell for this S300 Turbo in the description box with the 360-degree thrust bearing too.